To exist or not to exist. That's not the soul quest. What to become and how to persist. A pondering concern. A thought to resist. And when to become. Another quest. Often ignored, left unaddressed. Living's mere breathing, they all contest. Believing it's life, they truly attest. People just breathe, believing it's life. Education, job, marriage, kids and strife. To be born like lambs, to have kids and die, makes my skin crawl and leaves me a sigh. Why am I here? What's my purpose in life? A product of chance or design so bright? A forbidden question since the dawn of thought. What to answer when the why is sought? If evolution is true, just to be polite, death, the ultimate truth, looming in sight. If born out of nothing and returning to the same, shouldn't I be free with no bounds or shame? I envy the kittens. What a life they lead. Why can't I indulge in every selfish deed? But peace and fulfillment, do they really reside? Through resentment others tried, contentment lied. If 100 I kill, how fair is one death? Why exhale fairness and justice in every breath? Difficult questions from a complex mind. Through an intricate universe, an entity we find. Though disagree you might, it's not subjective. In hindsight, fear and reward guide morality's objective. In death is life's greatest reality. There's no dispute. Knowing its certainty, clarity takes root. I finally know my place in the grand scheme. Looking at death, peace and purpose gleam. With courage I embrace purpose, the decree, revealing my true self, death, setting me free. In death's embrace, my purpose takes flight, guiding my actions, revealing what's right. Until I meet death, let me be truly free, embracing the trials till I meet death.